This is question number 8. Now question number 8 says, the cost of a calculator is £6.79. Work out the cost of 28 of these calculators. Now, one of the things that you need to realize as you're reading the question is that you need to work out the total cost, you need to do some timesing. Right, so you need to times £6.79 by 28. You need to use or employ the box method to do this. So make sure you're totally clear about doing this multiplication. So it's £6.79, and I'm not going to put the decimal point in here. I'm going to times that by 28. I'll put the decimal point when I get to the answer space. You should know the method and be relatively familiar with this. So let's go through the technique and the method. I need to multiply these two together. So 679 is going to be 679. Be very careful and make sure you do this thoroughly. And 28 is going to be exactly that, 20 and 8. Now let's do the multiplication. Now remember, I'm going to do 6 times 2 is 12. Add 3 zeros onto that. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 zeros. 9 times 2 is 18. Add a 0 onto that. 6 times 8 is 48, and 2 zeros. 7 times 8, 56, very common in exams, make sure you know it. 56 with 1 0 after it. And 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, I now need to add all of these. So when you're adding them, take your time to write them all out. Okay, and make sure you first of all have got all of them. You've written the numbers properly, correctly. You haven't missed one or written something else by mistake. And absolutely essential when you're adding using the column method, you put the numbers in columns. All the units are in columns, all the tens are in columns, and so on. So take your time. Now add them up. Add them up very carefully. Do it twice, maybe even 3 times to make sure you've got the correct answer. And absolutely essentially, at the very end, make sure you now put the decimal point back. Remember, we were working in money. It had 2 decimal places, so I need to put it back in there, and that's going to be my answer, £190.12. This is 3 easy marks. Do take your time, don't rush it, and do come back and check it completely to make sure you haven't made a mistake. This is one definitely to get all the marks in.